Good morning, YouTube. It has been a minute since I vlogged. I know, I apologize for that. I was kind of enjoying the quarantine a little bit, but we're back. So in today's video, we're gonna update you on everything that's been going on in my life. Hopefully you're interested. So stay tuned. I got a lot to show you. I got a new griddle for my birthday, new canopy for my birthday, so I can griddle outside. And I got this big bad I got this big bad mama gemma. I couldn't say that to save my life. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. 18 feet wide, 4 feet deep. I've been messing with my pH balances and stuff. I never owned a pool before, so look at that water though. Nice and clear, baby. Nice and clear, baby. But I got like 15 minutes to get to the shop, so let's go. Alright, so we're at the shop. First cut of the day. Y'all see the new cape? So here we go. First one. Let's get it popping. Before. Let's go. After shot. Alright, a little update on the shop. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Update on the shop. I haven't showed you guys since we finished everything, but I just got done with a haircut, so I'm waiting for my guy to walk in. Let me show y'all real quick. Quick walkthrough. Boom, it's our antique station right here. All this stuff, hand sandy coming through the door. New hardwoods. Or new floors in, carpets in, popcorn maker, drink station, chairs, stations. My station's dirty, I just got done cutting, I gotta do it. I got a new Barber cape. I showed you guys earlier, but show you guys officially. So big boom. Show this. More of the stuff. So we have Dennis's station over here temporarily. Got the big screen up top, 65-inch. Got Dennis's station here temporarily because of COVID. We need 6 feet between stations. Reception area, candy for the kids. That first chair, bro, right there. Break room, new epoxy floors back here. Fixed our leak that was back here, so all this is here. Got towel storage here. More towels, paper towels. Back door still, refrigerator, bathroom. We put the flooring in here too. New fixture, super bright. It's like modern, really modern looking too. Full length mirror, you know what I'm saying? Window in the bathroom that actually works. So I gotta get back to cutting, but that was a little update for y'all. So let's get back to cutting. All right, break time. It's like almost the end of the day. Sorry I haven't vlogged nothing. I'm gonna come sit out here in Gary's walker. Alright, so sorry I haven't vlogged much today. It's my first day back to vlogging, and y'all know how that goes. I be forgetting to film stuff and just terrible excuses. But regardless, we are back to work. I've been back for 2 weeks now, and I've been super busy. I even added an extra day, so I'm working Monday, or I just ended this week. I was working Monday through Saturday, 10 to 7, and I was booked open to close, back to back. No breaks, no nothing that whole time. And then this week was the last week that I worked on Monday, so now I'm back to 5 days a week, all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like the shop update. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because it's a short one and it's my first day back. Anyways, your boy's tired. I'm gonna log off of here. I got to show you at least one haircut today. Sorry I didn't show you more. And I hope I'll be back to tutorial soon. But yeah, stay tuned. I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Peace.